I chose to study an MBA because I needed a brain revitalizer. I needed to challenge myself. After several years of work, although I have changed every 3 to 5 years, I needed something new. I needed to get out of just reacting on in the same way as you normally approach a problem. And I think the MBA was the right way to do that. I also chose a Flex MBA. And I did that because, in fact, I wanted a new job within the bank. But looking forward for getting a new job, I could not know 2 years ahead how will things evolve. So having the possibility to stop was important for me. I had a lot of expectations for the MBA because if you spend that kind of time which you need to put into an MBA, it should also provide you something. I think I had expected that the MBA would provide me a lot of tools in terms of theories, but in fact it provided more than that. It provided a personal development and it provided me a very good network. And in relation to the network, one of the reasons why I chose, or in fact, I think the reason why I chose Copenhagen Business School was the fact that it's located here in Copenhagen, meaning that you meet your new study pals every 2 weeks, and by that you can build a network which I think is stronger, more closely related also here after the study. I use my MBA every day. Presently, in fact, I got a new position. I had a stop in my Flex MBA between the second and third module because I got a new job, a very interesting job, and in that I also got the responsibility for a project on which I have written my integrated strategy project, and that is used every day. Nordea provided 10 million euros in order to execute on this project, so that's of course very challenging for me to get that kind of money for a project. So I think that both parties have benefited a lot out of this study. My future career is impacted by my MBA. I don't think it comes automatically, but I think especially the personal development that it has provided, the ability to work even more efficient, the ability to handle more issues, to cut away all the, what you should call it, the crap, and get into the core issues of problems. I got better at that, which has increased my management capacity as well. I think that my executive MBA will help me to get even better positions. I think what one I've got now is very challenging, but I think the fact that I have built both a network, the fact that I have developed in terms of my toolbox, theories and so on, and especially the personal development it has provided, has or will position me even better in the future.